Once upon a time, in the heart of a great forest, lived a squirrel who spent his days leaping from branch to branch, gathering acorns and nuts for the long winter ahead. This little squirrel was happier than anyone could be. The sun on his fur, the wind in his whiskers, the taste of sweet berries in his mouth, all made him feel like dancing. And dance he did. He danced with the butterflies in the morning, with the birds at noon, and with the rabbits in the evening. Oh, one crisp autumn day. The little squirrel was dancing with the falling leaves. They twirled and swirled around him as he scampered up a tall oak tree. Suddenly a grumpy voice boomed from below. "What are you doing up there?" Startled, the little squirrel peeked over the edge of the tree. I was dancing," he squeaked. "Dancing with the leaves," added another voice. "How silly," scoffed the first voice. "There's nothing to be happy about, not when your belly is full of holes and your home is full of spiders." Then both voices said together, "Go pick some acorns and get out of sight." And that's exactly what the little squirrel did. He gathered as many acorns as he could carry and hurried home. He stuffed the acorns in the hole where he lived, and just as he curled up to sleep, a wise old owl hooted. "Why the long face? It's a beautiful night. The moon is shining, the stars are sparkling, and the wind is singing. Isn't it a night for dancing?" The little squirrel sighed. "Those grumpy moles said there's nothing to be happy about. They were right, weren't they?" he asked. The wise old owl blinked his big yellow eyes. "Are you sure you were only gathering acorns and not dancing?" The little squirrel thought for a moment. "Well, no," he whispered. "I was dancing with the falling leaves, and the grumpy moles saw me and told me to stop." The owl ruffled his feathers. "It seems to me you were dancing for the joy of it, weren't you?" "Well, yes," squeaked the little squirrel. The owl was silent for a moment. Then he said, "You know, little squirrel, there will always be grumps in this world. There will always be someone who doesn't want to dance. But that's all the more reason for you to dance. Dance for yourself. Dance for the butterflies and the birds and the rabbits. Dance for the moon and the stars and the wind. Dance for anyone who wants to join in and anyone who doesn't care. Dance for everyone and no one. Just dance." The little squirrel thought about what the owl had said. Then he scurried to the window of his hole and looked out. The grumpy moles were nowhere to be seen. The wind was still singing, the moon was still shining, and the stars were still sparkling. The little squirrel couldn't help himself. He started to dance. He danced with the wind, the moon, and the stars. He danced for the butterflies, the birds, and the rabbits. He even danced for the grumpy moles if they had been there to see him. And as he danced, he felt as happy as anyone could be. From that day on, whenever the little squirrel felt like dancing, he danced. He didn't care if anyone watched him or not. Didn't care if anyone joined in or not. He just danced because it made him happy. And do you know what? His dancing made everyone else happy too. Even the grumpy moles couldn't help but tap their toes when they saw him dancing. They might have been grumps, but they couldn't stay grumpy for long when the little squirrel was dancing. So remember, my little friends, no matter what the grumps might say, life is too short not to dance.